All right, so I want to give you guys a quick general factoring strategy. Stop giggling. Jeez, math is serious. So, general factoring strategy. Okay? So, I promise this is not so hard. Thing one. First thing you try when confronted with something you want to factor. See if you can pull something out of all the terms, right? Check for a common factor. An example of something like that would look like, say I had 4x squared minus 36, right? You guys see the 4 that I can pull out of both terms? Right? So this would be 4 times x squared minus 9, and now that's maybe something I recognize, hopefully. It's a difference in squares. So that's kind of what pull out a common factor looks like, right? If there is a number in common to everything, pull it out. The reason you're doing that is it makes your difference of squares or your AC method, makes the numbers smaller. Smaller numbers generally make my life easier, right? Okay, so step 2 is going to be spot difference of squares, right? And you guys all remember that a difference of squares looks like something like square squared minus triangle squared. And what can you factor this thing into? Seriously? Square plus triangle. And square minus triangle? Yeah? Okay, so put that form in your head. Even if the PST form doesn't go in your head, this one has to. Okay? Because the AC method with this thing gets really nasty fast. Okay? It's nice if you can spot PSTs here, but if you don't, whatever. Okay? What's step 3 then? What's your fallback at the end? Like if there's no common factors and there's no difference of squares, what's your big hammer? Try AC method. Okay? So your general factoring strategy is check for a common factor. If there is one, pull it out. Check for difference of squares. If there is one, use the form. If all else fails, right, try the AC method on it. You can run the other method if the leading coefficient's 1, but you can also run the AC method on those, right? So the AC method works on most things, so give it a rip. Cool? Questions, things? Okay.